Hello, moneymakers. People are literally printing money with AI-generated videos on YouTube and Instagram. Don't be a consumer and watch these AI-generated videos. Instead, create this type of content and make money with AI. Now you must be wondering how. AI Maskman is the only channel on YouTube that teaches everything in detail about these niches. Do you need a proof that these channels work? Check out this channel called Rabbit Quest. This channel have gained over 400,000 subscribers and got over 50 million views in just 3 months by just uploading rabbit videos. By the end of this video, you will be equipped with all the knowledge you need to create a channel like this one. So let's grab a cup of coffee and watch this video with me till the end. First and foremost, we need a story in which a cute rabbit rescues another animal. You can either come up with the story on your own or use AI assistance if you'd like. So let's generate a script using ChatGPT, but before that, please copy this channel link and head over to ChatGPT. Then ask, could you please analyze this channel, and paste the channel link. This way, ChatGPT will get an idea of the type of script we want for our video. Perfect. ChatGPT analyzes the channel. Now let's ask ChatGPT. I also want to create a similar type of channel. So could you please help me generate a rabbit story that engages the audience like the channel above? And there you go. ChatGPT provides a story, but it doesn't quite match the reference channel's style, so let's prompt ChatGPT again. I want to create similar stories about a heroic rabbit saving another animal. Now we've got the story. The next thing we need is a detailed image generation prompt, which is crucial for creating an engaging video. I understand that not everyone is an expert in writing prompts, so just follow the steps I'll be showing you. Enter this prompt in ChatGPT. Now, I need you to give me the scene and character descriptions for each scene. Please, instead of using character names, describe each character fully in each scene, as I'll use these as prompts for my AI image generator. And there you go. ChatGPT provides both scene descriptions and character descriptions, which is perfect. Alright, now enter this prompt. Now could you please turn each scene description into a prompt by merging the character description with it? And instead of using phrases like the rabbit, please include the full character description each time. And that's it. These are the perfect prompts to help you create amazing images. Additionally, I asked ChatGPT to include more prompts and scenes, as I want to create videos that are at least 30 seconds long. And if you're still not satisfied with the story or any other aspect, you can ask ChatGPT to regenerate it to better suit your requirements. It's all up to your creativity. Just provide ChatGPT with prompts about what you want, and it will deliver detailed responses.
Do you want prompts that I personally use to write scripts for my channels? Then just hit that subscribe and like button and comment down below. I will pick your comments from the studio and reply you with the amazing prompts which you might have not used before in your journey as a giveaway.
Now, let's move on to the next step, which is generating images using free AI tools. Here, I'll show you 3 free tools with results that can help you create amazing images at no cost. Alright, first, copy this prompt and let's head over to our first tool. The first tool is PicLumen AI, which is currently completely free to use. Sign into your account, paste the prompt, select the PicLumen Realistic V2 style, choose the 9:16 aspect ratio, set the number of images you want, and hit Generate. It takes some time to generate, so in the meantime, let's explore the second tool, Microsoft Designer AI. With this tool, you'll get 15 free tokens to use, and each prompt will generate 4 images for you. Go ahead, paste the prompt, select your settings, and hit Generate. Now, the third tool is Leonardo AI, which you may already be familiar with. In this tool, you will receive 150 free tokens daily to use, which is fantastic. Sign into your account, select the image generation option from the dashboard, then choose Phoenix from the preset styles. Set it to 3D render and choose the 9:16 aspect ratio. Now let's check the results from all 3 tools. Look at the result from Leonardo AI. That's great, right? Now, here's the result from Microsoft Bing, which is also impressive. And this is the result from PicLumen AI, which looks amazing. Personally, I prefer the results from PicLumen AI as they appear more realistic. However, you can try them all yourself and choose the one that you like best. Now, let's copy another prompt and generate an image using this tool. And here are the results. I really like all the images from the 3 tools. The results are awesome. You can even create different images from each tool and use them in your video. And remember, don't just rely on ChatGPT prompts. You can also use your creativity and imagination to make unique images. It's all up to you. Now download all the images and give them chronological numbers to avoid any confusion while editing. Once you've generated all the images, open the YouTube audio library and select background music for your video. I recommend choosing calm and ambient music for the background. If you're uploading to YouTube, it's best to use tracks from the YouTube audio library to avoid any copyright claims in the future. I'm going to go with the dolphin-esque track. Now, let me share another trick that can really enhance your video significantly. We're going to add sound effects, which are a crucial part of the video. But what kind of sound effects should we use? Let's head back to ChatGPT and ask for suggestions on sound effects that would fit the story we created. And there you go. ChatGPT will suggest different sound effects for each scene. Now just copy the names and head over to Pixabay. You can find all the sound effects there for free. Download all the sound effects based on ChatGPT's suggestions. So, guys, now we have all the materials we need. It's time to merge everything together in a video editing tool. Open the CapCut desktop app, but feel free to use any other editing software you prefer. First, open the settings and go to the Edit section. Then, set the image duration to about 2 or 2.5 seconds and press Save. Next, upload all the AI images into CapCut. Once that's done, place all the images onto the timeline and arrange them in chronological order according to the story. Once you've added all the images, go to the Effects section and add effects that suit your images. I'm going to apply a zoom effect to each image. I'll decrease the range and speed of the effect to make it look just right. Next, head over to the transitions and add a simple transition like dissolve, mix, light effect, or any of the others available. Now let's add a watermark to prevent anyone from re-uploading our video. Go to the text section, add a text box, and enter your channel name. Choose a white color for the text. And decrease the opacity so it looks subtle. Stretch the text box until the end of the video. Now, we've completed about half of the editing part. Next, upload the background music and all the sound effects you downloaded from Pixabay. First, drag the background music into the timeline and adjust the volume. Then, add the sound effects to the timeline where they fit best. You can also find many sound effects within CapCut itself, like this one. I'll add an eating sound effect where the hedgehog is shown eating the carrot to make it more realistic. Additionally, I'll include a water sound effect, a walking on water sound, and more. This way, you can incorporate various sound effects that make your video engaging. For the final touch, add filters to your images. Experiment with different filters and apply them to your video. And that's it, everyone. The video is ready to go viral. This is how you can create a cute rabbit story video using AI. Now let's take a look at what we have created.